can you install the GoBoard pan first and then the GoBoard walls? That's a loaded question. Some contractors install the pan first. We prefer you install the walls first and then the pan for a multitude of reasons. One, when you're installing, you're going to be walking all over that pan if you do that first. And two, when you install the walls first, you actually don't have to do blocking because you've got your bottom plate for your walls to adhere the walls to. So it just makes it a little quicker, a little faster, and protects that pan a little longer while you're working in the shower. So what size shower does your shower pan system fit? Our GoBoard shower system is field fabricated and can fit showers up to 102 by 48 inches using all 4 wedges. There's only facer on 2 sides of the curb. Will thin-set mortar adhere to the foam? Yes, thin-set mortar will adhere to the foam. Will thin-set mortar adhere well to our GoBoard sealant? Yep, sure will. Wait for our sealant to skin over and key in the mortar, or use our seam fabric.